Seattle, and this is our cute little room. It's called the Art in Seattle. It's got a really cool mural on the wall. Very small. It's like a renovated old home. Really cute. And we got in really late this morning, and we're already jet lagged from a 4-hour difference. We're gonna go walk to get some breakfast and see what Seattle's like. Look how beautiful the trees are. Oh my gosh. It really just is just an old home. Let's do it! That is really good. Nice and flaky. I bet it's gorgeous here in the fall. Pigeons! Little white one. Hi, cutie. It's going so fast. Well, hi. That's it. That's certainly a wall of gum. Ooh, that looks like a ship. All right, we walked 45 minutes from our hotel to the Pier 66, and it was a great walk. It was very nice. Weather's been perfect, absolutely gorgeous, and I think this is our ship, our vessel. Port is gorgeous. Norwegian sun, that's us. Alright, we're all checked in, and we're fancy people now. Fancy. Oh. Oh yeah. So let's go.
I noticed.
That's insane. There's a freaking
I think it's on. I like this one. We did it.
Did it.
We made it.
It's so nice. All right, this is our room. We got a, I don't know what it's called, porthole. They said there's a chance of it being blocked by a pillar, but looks like we're good. We're still in port now. We've got a couple hours till debarkation. But yeah, I was worried it was gonna be really cramped. But it's but it's really nice. It's really nice. I am very satisfied with this. Yeah. Check out the bathroom. Oh yeah. Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, that's important. I didn't look.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Oh, good.
Yay, we're here. We made it. We made it.
We made it.
We just had a little bite to eat at one of the buffets. And now we are going to chill for a while because we both just brought boots to wear. And now we chill.
We chilling. You do whatever you want. It's vacation time. Get a little target. Quite strong?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Light on the banana.
Huh?
It's light on the banana.
The banana is really subtle. I don't know what time to close up food, but that's yours again.
Yeah.
That's a double cheese.